All right, so we finally made it. We're going to do a little bit more of a deep dive into the standard reports, starting with the real-time report. Now, I will say that we're sort of getting this one out of the way. I find that the real-time reports are a little bit more of a novelty versus being able to sort of process more historical data in the other reports. But it is cool, and it will give us a chance to dip our toes into the Google Analytics water. So an overview, you can see, so this is all happening live in real time. So you can see this constantly updating over here, 45 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds ago. And it's updating, as I'm talking about this. And so what you can see here is it gives a breakdown of who's coming from desktop and mobile, what the active pages are, who the top referral sources are, where these individuals are coming. And so I can actually click in here even further on the overview to see where these individuals are coming. So someone's coming from Tamarack, looks like Florida. And so it gives you sort of a power of how fast Google Analytics is processing this data. But I find also that I don't spend too much time there in the real-time reports, just because they aren't as informative as some of the other reports. Locations, so we can get a breakdown of who's coming from where based upon country. Traffic sources, we touched upon in the overview. We can get an idea of how these individuals are coming to the site. The content, we can get an idea of who is interacting with which pages. So people are going to the basket. The page title is the shopping cart. And we can get also a breakdown of the events. So events are, an event category, so enhanced e-commerce. Event action, so somebody clicked on a product, meaning that someone selected a hoodie or some sort of a item for sale on the site. Quick view click, so you can see in real time we can get an idea of what events are happening. And last but not least, probably most important are the conversions. So purchase completed, so 0 right now, immediately within the last minute. But you can see that some of the major goals, purchase completed, if users have registered or entered checkout, are all possible to monitor with Google Analytics. And then if you want to see in real-time data, if somebody is improving your bank account by making a purchase on the site, then you can see that as well. So I think that it gives you a good idea of what the real-time reports are. Again, I don't think you'll be spending too much time there. But it is interesting at first glance to see the power of Google Analytics.